Friends, what's up? I hope you are very well and welcome to our new video. Today I am unboxing Adidas track pen. So watch the whole video without any skip. If you skip this video, you will mistake some valuable information in this video. Let's get started. I bought this pen from Flipkart and I am going to unbox them in front of you. You can see that the pants are very special. This is a German company. I bought the pants in M size. You can take it if you want. The pant material is very good and its fabric is cotton blend. Very light. It's very lightweight and comfortable also. It is durable and stretchable. It is one of the branded company in the world. You can wear this pant formally and sports. You can see here Adidas brand logo. And here is Adidas branding tag. Presents some information about this pen. Its color fully black and its look just awesome. If you wish, you can easily get this pen by clicking on the link given in the description. At a glance, you see the whole looks this pen.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks everyone for watching this video.